Hey guys, Yanni from FilterGrade here. Today we are going to talk about how to add a simple glitch transition in InShot for free. And I'm not talking about the screen recording trick. We are going to make the transition by ourselves. So right now I have these two clips ready. We can go to transitions, and as you can see here, you need to pay for the glitch transitions. So here is what we are going to do. First, go to the first clip, choose Trim, Split, and split the last 5 frames as a new clip. After that, go to the second clip and split the first 5 frames into a new clip. After you have these two new clips ready, go to Effects and add the glitch effect to the new clips. So what we are trying to do here is to turn these two shorter clips into the transition that we need. And here you go, we've made our own glitch transition. And of course, you can try to apply other effects to create your own transitions. I hope you loved this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!